Hi Seekers! We are Mat and Angie, a loving couple on a mission to visit every region of Italy. If you're new here, welcome and please have a seat. In our previous vlog, we gave our beloved home on wheels a complete checkup by a friend of Angie's dad, who happened to have a great car workshop here in Puglia. Therefore, we never thought we would begin today's vlog like this. Cause, spoiler, this vlog is literally the beginning of the end. Okay, we were not supposed to vlog today, but we were heading to the Eurospin and the light of the oil in the van became red and it started beeping, which I didn't even know it had a sound, our pussy van. So we called the mechanic, we were 2 days ago. Yeah. And he said to us to check the oil. Let's hope the pump of the oil is not broken. Anche fin troppo. It's not beeping anymore. I don't know what to do.
Me neither.
We are gonna try to stick with our itinerary, and tomorrow we are not gonna use the van because we are gonna visit Trani, which is the aim of this vlog, and we are gonna see if we can get to the parking spot.
We'll see.
It started beeping again, so we're gonna call back the mechanic and we'll see what to do.
We fixed it. Scusami, se mi mandi a cagare lo capisco. Abbiamo fatto 200-300 metri perché non si era più accesa la spia e ha ricominciato a fare bi 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 bi. Noi ora ci siamo fermate, cosa dobbiamo fare?
Dove siete ferme?
A Trani, sì. Noi abbiamo anche il trasporto con l'ACI.
Benvenuto in ACI, Automobile Club d'Italia. Per assistenze
ACI Global, buonasera, sono Luca.
Buonasera Luca, avrei bisogno di supporto perché praticamente mi si è accesa la spia dell'olio.
45 km.
Ho fatto allora ritorno italiano, siamo a Trani, 45,90, 40. Ma e come facciamo poi a pagarla? La paghiamo direttamente a lui? After many thoughts
And calls.
we have decided that we're gonna do tonight almost all the things we were supposed to do tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gonna attempt to get near to the mechanic. If the light goes red again and it starts beeping, we are gonna call ACI and we are gonna ask for them to bring us there. So change of plans today.
Yeah.
But since we are dressed up like homeless people, we're gonna change in something a little bit more fancy, and let's try to see if they have a table for us tonight.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Not bad, eh?
I know it could be strange that we are gonna go eat dinner in a restaurant after the problem with Pussy, but we have a dream about this restaurant for 3-4 months, so we couldn't miss it.
And also, my mom said we had to go, so when the mom says something, you gotta do it.
And now we are finally arrived at Pesto di Pistacchio.
così bella. These are fried jalapenos filled with smoked mozzarella, vegan mozzarella, and hazelnut cream. So pretty strange combination. And they come with a guacamole sauce. You are supposed to dip this. I don't see why putting guacamole on this. I think it's already perfect like it is. But still good, yeah.
Here we have Beyond Meat polpette with pistachio heart on a mayo of sweet potato. Wow, the polpette are really good. I think the Beyond Meat is the prevalent taste, and you don't taste a lot the pistachio.
And here instead we have the linguine pasta with the pesto of pistachio. And I cannot wait to try this because the name of this restaurant is related to the pistachio, and so they gotta be awesome. I wanna try them. Okay, the pasta is not as al dente as I wished it was, but the pesto has so much flavor. I would say if you wouldn't have told me, I would have said it was just a pesto. You can actually a little bit taste the pistachio, but not as much as I thought you would. But it's still really, really good.
And for the dessert, we order a mousse of pistachios. Let's try it. Yeah, it's very good. The pistachio is stunning. It's awesome. I love it. It's very, very good. It's now time to give a review of Pesto di Pistacchio in Trani. We saw online that it's the best vegan restaurant of Apulia,
And on Instagram is really famous.
we don't have the same opinion of the internet.
It's a great restaurant. The products and the quality of the food is really good, but it's not outstanding as it seems on the internet.
As Matt said, it's very good, but it's very pricey. We spent a total of
70 euros.
yeah, it's very pricey with the wine, so it's okay.
But we ate 4 dishes, included the dessert. So 3 main dishes, antipasto, first course and main course. One for both of us and 1 dessert.
My expectation was very, very high,
Super high.
and they didn't get there.
We are back! Let's go to bed.
Yeah, because I'm so tired.
See you tomorrow morning. We hope for a really good breakfast.
Good morning, seekers. Today we have a special breakfast. Let's go.
The bar we are heading to is a bar that also delivers online, and we have already tried its delicacy, and they are so good. We have been dreaming of coming to this bar for many days. I just hope that this bar is up to our expectations as it was from ordering online.
We are finally arrived at Super Bar.
Okay, I don't know what could go any worse in this food tour. It's like the one in Piacenza, near to that. You gotta understand me. The website that this bar has, there are so many options, vegan options, like a ton, and all of them are delicious. This was instead the most squallido bar I could have ever figured. Yeah. She's in shock. It's a baretto, okay? He had like some occhi di bue, some sfogliatelle, and few brioche, and everything was not vegan. He said to us that he was thinking of doing some vegan brioche the day before, but then he said, no, I'm gonna just do the regular ones. And he said to us that he does the thing on the website just under request. So you have to order to have those kind of things. Maybe we were wrong. We should have called and asked. But we thought such a big website with the most of them are vegan options. We thought it was for sure gonna have something vegan.
Something. Not all the option, but something. One option.
Nothing. My first question was, are you the ones from the website?
Yeah.
Because it seems like a completely different place. Oh my god, let's go.
Let's go to have something for breakfast.
Yeah, I want my yogurt. Saga. And now it is time to attempt to get a little bit nearer to the mechanic.
Let's try it.
I'm so curious to see if it starts beeping right away.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go.
We'll see. Woohoo!
Club d'Italia. Se sei socio AGI, premi il tasto 1. Se non sei, è la targa del suo veicolo. We are sorry to keep you waiting. Your call will be handled as soon as possible.
Siamo in Viale Spagna 27.
Trani.
Trani.
L'officina dov'è?
Strada provinciale 231, si chiama Eurocar SRL.
A posto. Quando subito adesso le arriverà tra meno di un minuto, allora di arrivo del carro attrezzi.
Perfetto, va benissimo. Noi aspettiamo qua. Grazie mille, buon lavoro. They are already here. Wow, let's go.
Feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
I would have never expected we would have done this experience multiple times.
Again and so near, so
Yeah.
pretty strange.
Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
We are way less excited than the last time. Now it's just bring us to the mechanic. I cannot get over this anymore.
As As I reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky, I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Okay, we were working a little bit while the mechanic got some work done. They changed the pump, a little pump of the oil, and now they ask us to go around here like for 60 kilometers to see if the problem is solved. The problem is that I was addressing to them is that if the problem doesn't show up right now and instead tomorrow we leave again to go where we were supposed to go, we are back with the same problem. So I don't know. It's okay. Let's try. Let's see. It flashed the red light again, so we are going back.
We are still here, and actually we are waiting for the mechanic. It's not an electronical problem, so
It can be either two things mainly, or that's what they told us. It can be the pump, the actual pump of the oil that may be broken, or it may be like the place where the oil is stored underneath the engine.
the oil tank.
Yeah, like the oil tank. The suction goes down in it, and maybe at the bottom of this tank there's some old oil that is plugging the pump and not making it pump regularly. I hope I explained it as clearly as I could, but we still don't know.
We aren't mechanic, we don't know so much about engine.
All I know is what people tell me. Anyway, we have thought that maybe it's better if we end up the vlog here, and we'll begin next vlog telling you what happened and if we solved the problem or not. I'm hating Puglia.
Yeah, me too.
Bye, seekers.
Bye bye.
See you in another vlog. Let's hope on the road.
And with pussy.